Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you for our Facebook application. Nowadays we are searching for all the information for videos and images and account related everything we are tracking in our Facebook application. That is normal only because all the historical and everything stored in our Facebook, that is fine. But what happened is outside of our Facebook is tracking, like for if you go outside, if you're opening some application and doing some activity, so for all the application activity has been tracked by Facebook. We have one new option as enabled, offline track activity. So this is an new Facebook only for implemented. So that option, what you will do when you are opening for example, you Amazon going to purchase some item, or else you are doing some banking related activity, or else you are secure some information also you are opening. So everything it has been tracked by Facebook application. So they can easily check all the activity and they are storing their database. So we are just entertainment only we are using Facebook, so this should not be required. So if you are interested to clear for that history in Facebook, I will show you the option. And also one more thing, in future also if you're doing or anything, it will be tracked by Facebook. Hi guys, just go follow the some setting option to off for this offline activity tracking that information. Just go to the Facebook on your application, go to profile and click the setting, and after that you can come to and scroll down and see the here account information security. Just scroll down and see here your Facebook information. Just see this here off Facebook activity. If you see this off Facebook activity, just click this option. Now see this here one more option like clear history. If you click the clear history, it will clear all the historical data for till now whatever activity has tracked by other application and your Facebook. Everything history has been cleared. If you guys you want to choose the clear history, you can clear the clear history option, or else in future also if you want to turn off this Facebook activity, don't want to track for anything, then you can go for more option. Click the more option and manage future activity. If you just click the manage future activity, it will come like this only. You can just go through the information like here mentioned clearly this activity detail, and also you can go to see this manage future activity. Manage future activity, you can go and see this here this option as I already disabled. So if you want to disable for this activity, just click this turn off this activity, Facebook off Facebook activity. So if you turn off this activity, so this will not track for this your all the information in future whatever you're doing for other application in your mobile. So this should not be tracked. This is a more dangerous because when you're tracking this for your all the application detail, in future also it will suggest for some ad, and also it will fetch the all information for product level detail, and they inform to you some other person also whatever you are doing for the activity, everything that information is provided. So it should be like information leak. So so everyone just think and do for the what you need to do like that.